Hello everyone, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, nice to meet you. How are you doing today? Subscribe if you love me, are interested in my life. That would be greatly appreciated. I'm in a new little setup. I'm actually on my couch right now because I feel like I never have filmed on my couch before, and I feel like this is super fall vibe. Why not utilize the fall colors? Look at my little rust pillow. Before I get into the video, make sure you follow all my socials on the screen and down below. I have a really fun video today. I am actually partnering with White Fox Boutique today to show you guys all of these new amazing loungewear pieces I picked. I basically am ready for the cold months with all of this loungewear. Like, I am set. I'm actually wearing some right now. I'll get into it, but I'm actually hosting a giveaway with them on my Instagram, so go check that out. I actually have a discount code for you guys, which is Emily for 15% off site-wide, excluding collaborations, but you guys can get all of these pieces. So go in the link in the description when you're done watching this video and shop my code. White Fox Boutique offers Afterpay, which is a payment installment plan, so that's really clutch. Also, they offer express worldwide shipping, so if you guys are from anywhere, you get express worldwide shipping. I'm actually really excited that I picked only loungewear because I just really stocked up, and I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm gonna do a try on, obviously, so I'm gonna put the try on the screen while I talk about the items. So first thing I'm just gonna talk about is this set. I'll show you guys a little better on the try on, but it's this little chocolate brown set. I've been super into chocolate brown lately, and this is just an oversized crew neck with some little shorts, some sweat shorts. I also love sweat shorts because I feel like you don't get too hot. You can wear sweat shorts around the house and like not be toasty and still be so comfy. Also says on the front, it's kind of hard to tell because it's like a chocolate brown on chocolate brown vibe, which I love. It says Calabasas, established 2013, White Fox, Los Angeles. I think that's so cute. I obviously love Calabasas because I used to go there all the time. That's where like my favorite smoothie place is. So I feel like I'm repping Calabasas with this hoodie. I just love this. It's so comfy. I literally don't want to take this off at all. I got a size small in this, so it'd be a little bit bigger than just an extra small because I just like my things a little oversized. So let's move on. So I got this exact same set in this baby yellow color. It's obviously not like a fall color, but I'm still gonna be wearing this. I think baby yellow is so freaking cute. On the front of this, it actually says Venice Beach instead of Calabasas, and it's the yellow on yellow vibes with the matching shorts. This material is literally so thick, and I think this is gonna be perfect. I could see myself like going on a road trip in this. I just will feel so cute in this. Going to the store, I love going to the store in cute outfits, but it's just like, I didn't try, but it's a set, so it's like automatically cute and an outfit, which I love. The shorts are called the Along for the Ride shorts in a size small. This hoodie is called the Best of Both sweater, and I got in a size small medium. They have so many other colors of this set. Guys, I have so many sweat shorts now. I don't even want to talk about it. I am ready with sweat shorts. All summer I wanted pairs of sweatshirts and I couldn't find good ones. And then I came across these and I was like, okay, where have these been all freaking summer? But now I can wear them with the hoodie. So I got it in this like grayish color, but the best part about these, I'm obsessed. I want the matching hoodie, so I'm probably gonna get that soon. It says White Fox, established 2013, Essentials Club in baby pink. Guys, this is literally so cute. I need the matching crew neck so badly because I just think this set is the cutest. I love the light gray with a baby pink. Like, that is just my aesthetic. Like, I need that in every day. These shorts are the Essentials Club lounge shorts, and I got in a size small. And then I got a pair of black ones. This will go with everything, just like a black tank top or anything like that. And it says White Fox, the same thing as the gray ones. And I think this is like a gold or a yellow. It's super cute with just anything because they're black. It'll literally go with everything if you have just a plain black hoodie. These are also called the Essential Club lounge shorts in a size small. We're gonna move on to some sweatpants sets that I got. So the first sweatpants set I got is a black one. This could actually go with the shorts because obviously like the black on black vibe. It's like a crew neck long sleeve, because it's just a bit longer and not as like thick as like these, but it says White Fox in pink. It's kind of like one of those, like if you were gonna go to a concert and you wanted to get merch, it's kind of that vibe. I think that's actually what the name of it is, like On the Road. It's called On the Road oversized sweater, and I got this in a small medium, and it's just supposed to look like a concert vibe. It has a bunch of cities on the sleeve, which is cute, and I just love pink accents on anything because you guys know I'm obsessed with pink. Like, it is my favorite thing in the whole world. So this is so cute. Obviously, to go with that, I had to get the matching sweatpants. So these are just black joggers, and then this has the same type of detailing. White Fox Tour. These sweatpants are called the Up Late sweatpants, and I got in a size small. The next sweatpants set I have, I'm so excited for. It's not really fall colors, but I still love it, and I wanted one of these literally all summer. Like, I don't know why I'm getting this so last minute, but how freaking fun is this? This is literally the cutest thing, but it's this, like, what would you describe this? Like cotton candy tie-dye? I don't know. Well, tie-dye is such a big trend, and I really don't think it's going away anytime soon. So I wanted to pick this up because I've wanted a colorful tie-dye set for so long. So fun. It's so bright. It just puts you in a good mood. This hoodie is called the Hung Up On You hoodie, and I got it in a size small medium. And then obviously the matching sweatpants. I feel like people are gonna be scared of me when I walk down the street because I'm just gonna be so bright and out there, you know what I mean? These are so cute. I think as a set, I'm just gonna wear this all the time. Like a little white tank also, if it's like a little toastier where you live. So excited to wear this. Sweatpants are called the Key to My Secrets sweatpants, and I got in a size small. Now, moving on to, I got two basic little hoodies just to lounge around in with like some biker shorts or leggings. So the next two hoodies I got, so I got a pink one. I think these are so cool because look at how big they are. This is the White Fox Essentials line. So it's like a really good material. It's like their basic White Fox Essentials on the butt area, like when it goes down to your butt, but it's so soft, guys, even when it starts getting warmer with some biker shorts. This one is called the Staple Oversized Hoodie, and I got it in a small medium. And then I wanted to get it in just like a sand color, so I got it in this sandy color, and it's a small medium as well. This one just says White Fox in the middle and nothing on the back. It's just super basic, super good with some even like nude biker shorts or something like that. I think it's so good to layer with like nude sand color hoodies for fall, like with a leather jacket because of like the black detailing. This hoodie is called the All In Oversized. Okay, last few little pieces that I picked up. I'm gonna start out with just this little tank top. I feel like I always pick up a little tank top when I am shopping because you could just pair little white tank tops with everything. This one is actually so comfortable. It's just a little stringy tank top, and then the bottom is like the scallop, what would you call this? Scallop, right? I'm right. No, lettuce. I think it's lettuce. It might be lettuce hem. Let me know. Tank top, I could wear this with the sweatpants as a top, like just for under hoodie. So just super good to pick up a little tank top. This top is called the Close to You crop, and I got an extra small. And then I got these little white shorts. I see this just like as pajama shorts because I would just wear these to sleep. I love wearing little tiny shorts to sleep, and they're just really comfy, and it has a drawstring. These shorts are called the Street Status shorts, and I got them in a size small. And also the last thing, I just had to get a mask because I feel like you gotta pick up masks when you see some cute ones, and this would match my sweatsuit so good. Like, look, the print is the exact same, and I like ones that you can adjust the straps because sometimes I get masks and they're way too big for me, so I really like that you can adjust the strap. That is everything I got from White Fox Boutique. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited to just live in these things because this is just stuff I love to wear. They have the cutest, most comfortable pieces. I'm definitely gonna pick up more of these like little sets. Don't forget to go to my Instagram and enter the giveaway. All the details will actually be on the post, so go check it out. Also, use my code Emily for 15% off. Thank you again, White Fox, for partnering with me for this video. And yeah, I love you guys so so much. I hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.